Drive. Bruh, Rodeo. I ain't been up here in a crazy. You finna dip. Oh, don't come over here. That's crazy, bruh. Oh, let me put on my seatbelt. I ain't recording so long. That's crazy. Let me get. God damn. That was crazy. We got Audi R8, yeah, I'm tripping. I almost said R10, bruh. I meant the engine is R10. We got, soon with the center. That's crazy. Yo, that's wild. But yeah, y'all. Very soon. We gotta just keep working, honestly, truthfully. Make the smart decisions. That's very beautiful. But yeah, another POV for y'all. Went up and down Rodeo, having a little bit of fun. We got a little Fiat 500. You know what be cracking me up? And I respect everybody in their car, but certain cars that are, it's like the cars that are not meant like for crew, like sport-wise, race-wise, they be cutting up the most. The ones that you cruise in and everything. But yeah, so let me throw that back in A. What is that? What is that? Bro, what is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? An SVR? That's fire, bro. That's fire. He got an SVR. That's creeping up hella slow. He creeping up hella slow. Look, if he take off, I'm gonna be laughing, bro. We got an SVR, gang. That's fire, man. But see, we not doing anything illegal. Why he drive me like that, though? Come on, bro. Come on, gang. Hey, I'm glad I'm finally getting, you know what? Now he playing with me because I don't like it. You want to play, bro? Come on. Come on. Come on, man. You didn't play with the wrong one. gangers. Hopefully he come up. Hopefully he come up here. Yeah. And it's a black brother though. I ain't throwing no shade. But you know that come on, don't play. I knew he was gonna do it too. As soon as that light hit green, I knew he was gonna creep up and then punch it. I was like, bro, gang, at least, you know, come on, man. Nah, but we all just chilling tonight. Yeah. Let me chill out though. I should not be doing any of this. Let me take it out of nah, cause it sounded crazy and I'm like, wait, hold on. I know that ain't no SVR. I was about to say, I like me an SVR. Do a little construction though. Yeah, but that fool. What is that? But yeah, that's crazy. Finna head home. But yeah, just another banger video for y'all. I thought I'd bring something special for you guys. Not too crazy, but because I ain't posting a minute, y'all been very busy. So come on, bro. Don't play with me. I don't even. Ooh. Man, that's the one thing I get scared over. Because my car is very light, so yeah, it can get thrown in the air very easily. So we just gonna calm it down. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm about to cruise for the rest. I'm about to head home, get some good rest. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Hopefully you guys see me. If not, see my smile, you know. But yeah, stay tuned for many more lit vids. It's summertime now, I'm calling it. We're gonna have a lot of craziness coming out for this summer. 2025 gotta turn up. Cause last year, I don't think I turned up enough last year. So we gotta always bring it to the next level each and every year. So I'm gonna catch you guys on the next vid. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Stay tuned, y'all. We on the way up. Peace.
Hate me or love me, you watched. That's all you could do. Thank you.